believe that it doesn't matter what faith that you have, but to have faith in something and to have faith in something that is greater than yourself and to come from that place and to have a constant communication with a higher power that you believe can like guide you, to have like an intuitive connection and to live in a constant state of gratitude for your blessings because all of your blessings come from this source, whatever you want to call it. If we are consistently grateful for this source and what it brings into our lives, then I think we're in a pretty good shape when it comes to having a good spiritual life. But the other thing is study, to study your faith and to study what it is that you believe in and to study other people who also have the faith that you would like to mirror.